अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन। डॉक्टर ज़ाकिर नाइक से एक भाई ने सवाल किया है कि आप सोशल मीडिया पे इतने सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स के ऊपर जो है वो मौजूद हैं, जिसमें ट्विटर, यूट्यूब, फेसबुक, पिंटरेस्ट ये शामिल हैं, तो क्या ये सब अकाउंट्स आपके हैं और आप इससे कितने हज़ार डॉलर माहाना कमाते हैं? तो आइए देखते हैं कि डॉक्टर साहब ने इसका तफसीली और मुदल्लल जवाब दिया है भाई को। तो इससे पहले अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, ताकि डॉक्टर साहब की इस तरह की मालूमाती वीडियोस आपको मिलती रहें। शुक्रिया। आइए देखते हैं सवाल और फिर उसका जवाब।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वालेकुम अस्सलाम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। सुहेल शेख from London, UK. I am a businessman. I am your fan and I have watched many of your videos. Sometimes I read in the social media some information along with your photo, but I'm sure you have not said it. Can you please guide us how to verify whether the posts circulating in the social media is from you or not from you, whether it is true or whether it is fake? Suhail Sheikh from London had asked that he has seen many of my videos, he is my fan, and sometimes he comes across certain posts which he knows that I have not said it. So he wants me to know, how do you identify whether the post that is there in the social media, is it from me or not? And let me tell you, there are thousands of posts in the social media which I have not created those posts. Yet those posts may have my name by Dr. Zakir Naik, or may also have my photo, very good photo taken from my website, taken from my Facebook, high quality image. They put my photo, they put a message, but that message is not from me. When I scanned these messages, on an average, if I make a rough estimate, out of the thousands of posts that are available in the social media, which is not from me. First, how do you come to know whether it's originally from me or not? Number one, don't just go on the name. Anyone can write Zakir Naik. Don't go on the photo. There are hundreds of my photos available in the social media of high quality, very good photographs. Anyone can go on my website, copy it, can go on the Facebook, copy it. We have got no copyrights and use it. So photograph or name is not the criteria to know whether it's officially from me or not. One of the ways is you can go to my website. The name of my website is zakirnaik.com. So if you go to my website zakirnaik.com, and there are what sections on Peace TV, on social media, on Facebook, and you go there, many of the posts which I put on the social media is also there on my Facebook, sorry, on my website. So if you go on my website and if you see it is there, you can be sure it is a post that I have made. It is coming from me. Or you can go on my Facebook. Now, when you go on my Facebook, if you type Zakir Naik, there are more than 1,000 pages by the name of Zakir Naik or close to it. One day I thought there will be 10, 20, maybe 50, maybe 100, and I started counting. That was a few years back. I think maybe 8, 9 years back, when my following was much lesser. And I counted, I reached 1,000, and then I stopped. That means surely about 7, 8 years back, that's in India, there were more than 1,000 Facebook pages by the name Zakir Naik. Zakir Naik, Dr. Zakir Naik fan page, Zakir Naik so and so, Zakir Naik that, so on and so forth. So to know which is my official Facebook page, it should have a blue tick. So one way to find out it's official is the blue tick. Or at present, the followers on my Facebook are, mashallah, by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it is 23.5 million. It is the largest following amongst any English religious speaker in the world, whether Christian, Hindu, Muslim. Among the English speakers who are religious speakers in the world, the largest following, alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is mine. It has more than 23.5 million followers. More than 19 million likes, but the followers are more than 23.5 million. Now, you'll be shocked to know that if you do a search on the top 5 English Muslim speakers, after me, that is 23.5 million, mashallah, is Dr. Abu Amina Bilal Phillips. He has a following of 7.9 million. You know, his Islamic International Open Islamic University, OIU, is very famous. So on his official Facebook, which has a blue tick, he has got more than 7.9 million followers. He's number 2. Number 3 is, mashallah, Mufti Ismail Menk, on his official Facebook with the blue tick, has got more than 5.1 million followers as of today. And the 4th is, again, Dr. Zakir Naik. 4.5 million followers. But when you go and open it, the URL, everyone says Dr. Zakir Naik. Even my official Facebook says Dr. Zakir Naik. It does a blue tick. But when you see the URL or the real type you have to type to get on the Facebook link, it is Facebook link stroke Zakir Naik. This, which is 4th in the list, is Zakir Naik official. So no one types Zakir Naik. The top Zakir Naik all comes. So mine will come first, this will come. So, and what they do, the same photograph which I put on my Facebook, this person who has got 4.5 million followers also puts that. And he says that this is a fan page of Dr. Zakir Naik. So if you read, you will come to know it is not mine, doesn't have the blue tick. But the 4th largest amongst the English speaker is again Dr. Zakir Naik, but run by some people, some of my fans. The 5th is also Dr. Zakir Naik. And then when you go inside, it says unofficial Dr. Zakir Naik, managed by a fan. So another fan follower, a fan of mine, has made posts, and normally we don't object anyone copying any of my video. We have got no copyright. We don't, as long as they don't manipulate, they don't create mischief. So these 2 people who are number 4 and number 5 have 4.5 million followers. It's huge. They give ads, they monetize it, they make money. As long as they're not doing any mischief, I've got no objection. As far as my personal Facebook is concerned with the blue tick, we don't monetize at all. We don't give any ads. We don't monetize at all. We don't make a single penny out of it. Yes, they tell me that if you want to monetize, I can make $50,000 a month, and on the YouTube I can make $50,000 a month, on the Facebook maybe $100,000 a month. But we are doing it for the sake of Allah alone. I don't want to merge or risk losing my sawab for the money. So we never monetize any of the social media platform, talking about the free social media platform, whether it be Facebook, whether it be Instagram, whether it be Twitter, whether it be YouTube. We don't have any ads. We don't take any ads, we don't take any money. But these fan followers, of course, they put ads, they make a revenue, maybe, I don't know what they will be making, $10,000, $20,000 a month, we don't know. So similarly, but it says there, it is managed by a fan of Dr. Zakir Naik. But has a following of 4.5 million. 4.5 million is not small. So this, some of the posts you find, it does say that, Zakir Naik official. So if it says Zakir Naik official, it's not from me officially. For it to be officially my Facebook, it should say only Zakir Naik, the URL should say Facebook/Zakir Naik, or it should have a blue tick. The 5th most popular also says Dr. Zakir Naik, but when you go on the URL, it is some OH Umma something, and it says there on the welcome page, on the home page, that unofficial. It's managed by the fans, and they keep on, and many a times you find they are more popular because many people click photo with me, hundreds, regularly, but I click with very few. And amongst those I click, I post only those who I feel are important on my Facebook. But those who click with me, they post on their Facebook. So these fan following How does it reach 4.5 million? If someone put my photo, they go on their website, they copy it and they put it here. So if they want to know about me or about my whereabouts, they may find more from these fan pages than my own. Look, ours is all authentic. They are not very careful. Sometimes they may give wrong information. They may. Inshallah, maybe the niyyah is good. So may Allah reward them. But many a times they may pick up something which is unauthentic, and someone makes a fake post about me. They may copy it and post it on the fan page and people may think it's officially from me. So please don't, if you see it on a Facebook of Dr. Zakir Naik but not officially from me, if it does not have the blue tick, it's not from me. If it has a blue tick, it's officially from me. So my YouTube had the black tick. My Instagram did not have, they did not give me a blue tick since many years. Recently, a few months back, I think in the last week of April, few months back, they gave me a blue tick, and alhamdulillah, now my Instagram has started, having followers. Now it has reached 1.1 million. And I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they did not. But natural, these people, when you have a large following, they restrict it. They want you to pay money, but we don't, everything is organic. We don't spend a single dollar in marketing or, there are some of the religious speakers who keep on pumping in money so that their followers increase. Ours is purely organic. We have not paid a single cent for any of the followers or any of my social media platform. But there are many people who keep on, increasing their followers with the help of boosting it or by paying money, etc. But we don't believe in this. All our followers are organic. So coming to the question, how will you come to know if it's authentic or not? It's mainly from my website or going to my Facebook or on my Pinterest. Pinterest doesn't have such a large following, but it's easy to find the post there.